Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is to create multiple stickers on a sheet. So of course we can actually go ahead to create stickers in Canva, but with ChatGPT we can actually go ahead to create multiple stickers on one page in one go, right? So let's get straight to it. So I do have my prompts. I'm just going to go ahead to input it here. So I basically have creates me an 8.5 by 11 page with stickers of different emoji facial expression. All right, so here should say background. So background should be white, resolution should be of high quality. So all we're going to go ahead to do is to click on submit, and we're just going to give a chat GPT a few seconds. Okay guys, I know it's taking a few seconds, but not to worry. Oh, here we are. Just like that. So let me just click on it so you guys can see it. Oh, let me go down a bit. Okay, great. So basically, this is what your sticker page will actually look like. Now, if it is that you're going to do it in Canva, you probably have to be doing it one by one. But this is amazing, guys. So I've tried it in different things. So in terms of making flowers, bears, and stuff like that, and it came out perfect. Now, I'm trying to do stickers of quotes. So far, I can only get one perfect, but to have like multiple on a page, I'm still having difficulties with that. But as soon as right? I can do it perfectly. I'll definitely show you guys. But I do hope that this was helpful, especially for like teachers or persons who are selling like sticker digital stickers online. Then of course this is an easy way you can actually just have like a 10-page book, right? Or 10 sheet, right, of stickers. And you know what to do if it is that you found this video helpful.